and we are the crazy kids, them crazy kids, and we are the crazy kids, we are the crazy people.
Welcome back! Hey everyone, and welcome to our cooking show where we do cooking without our hands. Today we're going to be doing chocolate chip cookies. Jess, what's in these cookies? Alex?
Chocolate chips, Amelia.
Are you sure about that?
We have eggs, chocolate chips, butter. We only need one. We forgot to take the butter out, so it's not soft. We don't know what we're doing yet. We have measuring cups. We have the bowl. We have sugar. We have flour. I have no idea what this is. Calm it, double cake. It's baking powder.
Jesus Christ.
So basically,
I need the baking powder in here.
I'm okay.
Baking powder.
So basically, if you did not get what we're doing today, we are going to be baking cookies
Without our hands.
without our hands, which is going to be very hard.
Yeah.
We took this idea from one of Liza Koshy's videos
Yeah.
because we're not original.
Yeah. Okay, so what do we need?
What do we need?
Okay. We need 1 cup of softened butter. Can we beat the butter?
No.
Not
I
yet.
have an idea. Hold on.
No,
hold on.
don't
Which one
beat
are
the
we
butter.
Using? Which one are we using? This one or that one? Which one?
Pick
Whichever
one. Whichever you want.
That's
Okay,
the
so
chosen
we
butter.
have to open it without our hands either.
Oh wait. Oh, hold on. Let me
No, that's not it.
I'm softening it because it's not softened.
Oh
my god. Wait, the flap is opening. Cameraman, are you getting this? You don't know what you're doing. Watch the master at work here.
You're not doing anything right.
Leave me alone, okay?
Do you want me
Oh wait, it's opening through the back. Hold on.
Yeah, hold on.
Stop! You're putting it down again.
I'm opening. Okay, grab that thingy there with your mouth. And I'll hold it. Do it. Yeah, no. Alright, oh god, I can't use the hole. Put it. Oh god, there's the ball. I don't want to touch the butter. Okay, that doesn't count because we didn't necessarily touch it.
Let me see.
Wait.
Hey, put my hair up.
Maybe see if I can I don't want to touch the butter because these are supposed to be edible. I'm trying not to touch the butter. I didn't touch the butter. Lex, can you grab it with your mouth? Grab the tape. Teamwork. Okay, shake it. Hold on, wait. Maybe I can use a teaspoon. Cameron, Cameron, get in here. Hold on. I'm
No, you're gonna put that in there. Can you just do
Ew.
cookies normally, please?
no.
I don't. Oh my god, this is gonna be a mess. I'm not eating these cookies.
You can't eat them anyway. You're lactose intolerant.
I don't care.
Throw it.
Wait, we're almost there. Yay! Mission 1 accomplished.
1 cup of white sugar. This is gonna be
But
hard.
this is my.
I'm gonna open it with my hands because I can.
No. Bad Alex.
Let me see.
Teamwork. Oh, wait, it's open. Holy crap. You did it. Got
No!
There we go.
Can I just pour it in there, please? Cause
No,
Oh my
no
god.
hands. We bought this anyway, so.
You know what? Forget it.
Okay, it's open. It's open! Don't touch. Okay, 1 cup. This
We
is
should
half
just
a
stop
cup.
at this point. We should just stop at this point.
Yeah, please
this
do.
is 1 cup.
Cause
Okay.
this is mine. My kitchen.
No!
We should stop.
No,
It's
no.
gonna be hard.
We're back.
And we're back. So, changing plans. We don't want to ruin the cookies and get stuff all over because Then we have to clean
It's
it
a
up.
mess.
And we're not as skilled as Liza Koshi, so we're gonna do it blindfolded instead because today's the day of the blindfolds. If you want to see why I have this over my head instead of what she has over her head, please go check out our last video because it was quite an adventure. So I'm assuming.
Wait.
It said how many cups of sugar is it, Manon?
1 cup of white sugar.
Okay, so
Okay,
we
let
made
me
French
see.
toast earlier. The biggest one is the 1 cup.
No, you can read it like a blind people. You can like.
What?
This is one. This is one.
She still has her blindfold on, right?
Yes.
I know that the biggest. Hey. Okay, fine. Do you need help? What did you do?
Okay, you can pour it in.
It's
Pour it in.
It's in there. Oh my god.
I have the bag.
Pour it in. Pour it in.
Where?
Pour
Hold
it.
on, I can't see.
Yeah, those are my fingers.
Those are where exactly. This is gonna be so fun.
Wait. Pour it in. Pour it in. Okay, it's in. It's in. Keep going. A little bit more. Wait.
Okay.
Oh my god.
That was perfect.
Did I do it?
Yes.
Skilled.
Okay, so what's next?
1
it all-
cup of
It's
packed
1 more cup.
brown sugar.
It's 1 more cup. It's again. You have to do that again.
Oh my god, I hate
It's the biggest one.
Yes.
You still have it open?
Yeah.
Okay,
Can I
we're-
please just do the eggs? Cause I don't.
No, we're doing the eggs. We're gonna get eggshells on this. Okay, where is it?
Right there. I'm putting my hands over the edge so that, yeah.
Don't you have vanilla
Where
extract?
is it? Where is it? Yes.
Yes.
Where is it then?
Hold on.
This is gonna be so messed up.
Okay. Stop.
No.
Is it there?
A little bit more.
Ow, I touched some of it.
There.
Did we do
Wait,
it?
can you put a little bit more in?
Just leave
a
it
tad.
like that.
I can't see where it is. Hello?
There.
Okay.
I put my finger. I put.
Great. And the white powdery stuff.
Okay. What's next?
2 eggs.
Where's the eggs?
Where's the side of the table?
The eggs are in my hand.
Yeah, they're over there. Do you want me to crack the egg or do you want to? You do better at cracking eggs.
You
No,
can
I'm better
crack
than
one.
all of you at cracking eggs except for Mom.
How many eggs are there?
2.
You can crack one.
Oh no, hold on. We're gonna drop it. Okay.
No, you're not.
I'm holding an egg. This is not good.
Okay, where's the bowl? Let me crack mine first. Hold on.
Okay. I'm scared. I hear stuff. Did it go in? You just cracked it onto the floor. Cameraman, are you like sure you're recording well? Because I can hear your feet shuffling everywhere.
No, is it on?
Did I do it?
Yes, you did.
I need the trash. Give me a second.
Oh my gosh, she actually did it well.
I have not been known to crack eggs well. Eggs are like one of the my worst.
I'm like getting dizzy. Give me a second. Let me wash my hands.
Okay, I can feel it crack.
Oh my god, Amelia made it.
I did? Okay, great.
Yes.
Tell me struggling to open this.
Where's the trash can? Ow, I ran into something. Oh, there's something on the trash can. Help me.
No, you actually ran into Dottie's tomato.
Oh. There's a tomato on the floor?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Well, I have egg all over my hands.
Ow!
Where are you?
I am in front of you. Go to your right. Go to your right. Go. Now to your left.
We're back.
Wait, you're back. I'm not. I can feel the
Alex,
towel.
do you want to say something to the viewers? That's a
We're
very
gonna
nice.
fail. That's what I want to say.
Okay, where's the bowl? Okay.
What's next?
What's next?
Oh, what's next?
Hello?
Oof.
Wait, I want you to say something. Are there any shells?
No, that's why I said that you guys did it well.
Hey!
Two,
Hey, we did it!
two teaspoons of vanilla extract.
What's the teaspoon?
TSP. That's the first. No, that's the second. That's the.
Wait,
I'm
second
giving you.
smallest
I'm
one.
giving you
no, no,
like.
no, I know which one it is. Give it to me.
wait.
Okay, let me see. Okay.
It's the third one. I remember from
No,
this
it's
morning.
no. It's
Second.
okay. That's
No, it's a purple
One.
one.
How are we supposed to see color?
3, 4, 5. That's not it.
So
One.
third.
This one has stuff in it.
Exactly. That's
I'm gonna
one.
go get the
Is
vanilla
this it?
extract.
Yeah.
Okay, what does
Alright.
it say on it?
I'm getting
One
the vanilla.
teaspoon.
Okay, are you sure?
Yes, I am pretty
Do
sure.
you have the vanilla?
Yeah,
Do you know where it is?
I'm looking.
You're feeling.
I'm looking.
Can you tell?
I like help you because you're gonna make a mess.
Where is it?
Did you put it back from earlier?
Yes. I don't think so.
Oh crap.
Mama, can you look for it?
Where's?
Can you film?
How?
Not even the non-blind person in the house can find the vanilla extract. Hello.
And we're off to find the vanilla extract. Oh, is it in here?
Where did we put it? It's right here.
Oh, it's right. Okay.
Oh my
And
God,
we're
we
back. We found it. Oh crap, which one was it? This one.
2
right?
teaspoons. Yep.
That's it, right? This is
Yep.
purple?
2
Okay.
teaspoons.
Okay.
Wait, let me put my blind.
Okay.
That's
Okay,
gonna
this
be
is
hard.
gonna be hard.
Where is it? Where is
It's
it?
here.
Where is
Do
it?
you want me to do it? Apparently I'm good at pouring.
Wait, put it back up. Put it back up.
I'll tell you when you have to like stop. Oh my,
Okay, I can hear. I hear
Yeah.
it fall. Okay.
1.
No, that's sick because you basically like put 2
Put a
there.
little bit in. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. I feel like that's enough. Like, stop.
Alexandra!
Okay.
You put way too much in there.
Well, you know what? Vanilla's yummy, so stop.
Oh my god.
I can't find the cap and the bottle and the. My hands are full.
Okay,
of vanilla.
just this is the lap.
Give me a second.
Nope.
Give me a sec. I can smell it through here. I feel like I have vanilla all over my hands. There's something on my hands.
I do.
I have vanilla on my hands. Oh no.
Yeah, because I like, poured it all over the place.
That is.
That does not look like 2 teaspoons.
Well, you know what? But I always put more vanilla than it calls for.
Where's the? Hello.
Do you not know where the cap is?
You know what? Whatever.
Oh, this,
What's next?
you have like vanilla all over the table. That's me.
I know it is.
What's
You
next?
put the cap on already.
Yes. We are in the edge of the
Hey!
table. We need to move to the center.
1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Okay, I have the baking soda.
No, I have
Alex
the
has
baking
to
soda.
Did you take the baking soda?
Yeah, I
she
found
took
it.
the baking soda.
Okay,
Look,
let me-
right there. The baking soda's right there.
Okay,
I need to open it.
This is the purple one, right?
Yup.
Wait, let me see. When you have it out.
Okay, I have it out. Does it feel full?
That is good. That is
It is
okay.
full, yes. It is a little bit more than wanted. Is it just 1
Yeah, just only 1, and now 2 teaspoons of hot water.
teaspoons?
That's the same thing that we've been using, Alex.
No, wait. What does it actually say? Is it
It
just
says 2 teaspoons of hot water. We went over this earlier.
Teaspoons of hot water.
We don't have hot water. We'll just use normal water.
No, I'm filming Amelia's shirt on the back.
Well, that's not what you need to be filming. Ha
You got lucky. That could have been ice. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay.
I think that's
Okay.
way too much. Excuse me.
Careful. Be careful.
When you can, I'll have that water. Oh no, it has vanilla on it, so better.
That's enough, right?
Yep.
Is it two teaspoons?
Yep.
This is still the purple.
No, you put not that much.
Leave me alone. You're scaring me. I put 2, right?
Put 4 because you put half of 1 and then half. No, actually, just put 3.
How much does the recipe call for?
3, 2. But you put half of the first one, so
It don't matter.
Ah!
Okay, let me put.
Yeah, just that bit. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Amazingness.
These are
Oh
too
my-
water. I'm gonna kill you. I mean, what? Hello?
Are you good, bro?
Wait, give me a second.
Hello?
Daddy.
Mr. Obama?
There's Daddy.
Toti Rivera.
Daddy. Cállate. Daddy. Cállate.
Just let her out.
There's no one outside.
Just let her out then.
She'll start barking outside.
There's
Better than barking inside. What's next?
what would you do? 1/2 a teaspoon of salt.
Half
Salt.
a teaspoon?
Yeah.
Where's the salt?
Where's my
It's
teaspoons?
right there.
Where are my teaspoons? That's the cups.
No, right across.
Where's the
A
salt?
little bit. There you go.
That's
Teaspoon. I found the salt.
There you go. You are.
This is half a teaspoon, right?
Yeah, you got that right.
Okay.
No, that's half cup.
No, that's half cup.
Oh, teaspoon. Yeah, because I accidentally saw a cup there.
It says teaspoon.
I don't care. You started shaking.
Okay, where's the
I got the salt. Be careful.
How are we doing this? Where's the thing?
thingy?
Okay, can you not copy me?
Wait. Get your finger out.
You're not gonna do this right.
There's nothing even in there.
Alex, do you want me to do it?
Oh, okay.
I did it.
That's way too much.
I did it. Got the salt. Hold on. What's next?
Hold on, wait. I'm only gonna put some of it because some of it fell. Okay. There we go. The rest of this I'm gonna put in the sink. Because I know some of it, I can hear some of it fall. Okay, so you've got salt.
Flour. 3 cups of flour.
Gosh darn it.
Where's the flour?
I have
Right there.
I can give me the
Flour?
measuring cups thing.
Flour.
it's already open.
Yeah, it's already open, so this is not gonna be as bad as I thought it would be.
Where is it?
I'm on top of the table.
Okay, it's open.
Where is it?
I'm on top of the
Come
table.
over. Come over.
It's next to the bowl, Alex. I can't come
Yeah.
anymore.
Okay.
I am literally on top of the
Okay.
table.
Hello.
Okay. Like.
Do you want me to what?
I think you should let Amelia do it.
Start
Alex.
pouring it, but wait, give me a second.
Oh, do you want me to pour it?
Wait.
Oh my god.
What are you doing?
Oh my boy.
Do you want me to pour it?
The measuring thing is in the bowl right now. It's right there.
Okay, am I pouring it then?
Yes.
I think
Okay,
you
so
should
it's over the board? Okay. Okay, where's the measuring thing? Okay.
right there.
It's right there. I'm putting my nose over.
Okay. This is not gonna go well.
Wait. Leave it there. I'm like, my hands are in the. Wait, let it go
what?
a little bit.
Well, that is.
Pull it up.
Oven. Can we like?
Pull it up.
Amelia, you're putting it in the bowl.
Oh crap. Okay, Alex, put whatever. How much do you have in there?
She has like at least 3/4.
Okay, Alex, put whatever. Wait. Put whatever you have into the thing.
Wait.
Just
Amelia
listen.
put a
Trust
lot
me.
of it.
Trust me.
Amelia put
Trust
a
me.
lot.
Just trust me.
Okay, that's one.
That's 1 cup. Okay, where's the thing?
Here.
Okay.
This is so fun to watch.
Here. I'm dipping it in.
Okay, wait. I could feel the bag touch something.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so
Here.
That's it.
okay.
No, that's not it.
Yeah,
it needs
that's it.
more. It needs more.
Yeah, it needs more.
Bloody hell.
Can you not copy me?
Can you not cuss in my channel?
This is not yours.
Hold on.
That's it.
That's the second one. We need a third one, right?
Okay, yeah. There's 3 cups, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's
That's
probably
one.
screwing us over.
No.
Hold on.
Instead of putting 2 cups of semi-sweet
Wait,
chocolate chip, do you just like want to like put the chocolate?
Manuel, give us a second.
Okay, calm down.
Amelia, you're putting the bag over there.
Well, you know what? I can't really see, so.
That's it. Alexandra, es el tercero ya.
Okay, that's it. Move the bag away.
Good job. I feel proud of all of you.
Thank you. Okay, so now
What's the
where's
next
that thing? We need 2 cups of
I got it.
Semi-sweet chocolate chip.
We can put as much as we want.
yeah, but like let's see what the recipe says.
Nah.
Let's see what the recipe says.
Boom.
I can't open it. Shut up.
Okay, I've got it.
Hi, Amelia.
Hi.
I can see. Oh God, you are scaring me.
Alexandra, tu dedo.
Alex, let me do it. I'm the scissor queen, and you know.
No, wait. Where is it? I got
Lex, I'm the scissor queen.
it.
She's gonna cut herself. She's
I got it.
Lexi.
I got it.
Ollie, give me the thing.
I did it.
Hey, she did it.
Don't do this at home, kids.
Don't play with knives, don't play with scissors, and then we're doing it blindfolded.
No,
Wait.
it's fine, it's fine.
No, I want to use the cup.
I'm already pouring it in.
You should have done that after, you
Just
think?
pour way too much.
We should have done that after.
No, that's fine. No, because we need to mix it and then mix it with the liquid thing. I just put my finger in the water. Ew, that's gross.
You're gross.
Okay. Hello. You're in
Hi.
my way right now.
You're in my way.
Hello.
I had to get down from the table, so.
Is that, what do we do now, Manuel?
Oh.
Is that all the ingredients?
No, 1 cup of chopped walnuts, but I don't.
No.
We don't need that. I'm gonna go get a spoon.
Good job, everybody. Alexandra, you're in the wrong one. Don't use that one. Please don't use that one. Use this one at least. Use a bigger spoon.
Manuel, that's not, no. That's
No,
not a
don't
mixing-
use that.
It's not a mixing spoon.
Shoot, then use. Wait, don't use
Wait, don't mix it yet. Are you ready?
Yes.
I have a spoon too, so let's just mix
Let
it.
me like chop up the butter. Is that the red butter? I feel like this is the butter. Okay. We should have put the chocolate chips after.
Okay, I'm starting to mix. Be careful.
Is that good, Amelia?
Let me taste it a little bit.
Let me try it.
Salmonella.
Death.
You eat a crap ton. Hey, man. Okay, I think that's it. I'm gonna go wash my hands.
I'm not.
Amelia's probably gonna eat that cookie dough that is on her hands and say
You
it
know it.
and said, "I washed my hands."
Oh yeah.
Okay, so man, put the camera on me. Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna set this aside. Move over. What are you doing?
Just eat
Gonna
that.
set that aside, and we're gonna preheat the oven to. Give me a second. We're gonna preheat the oven to 150.
She got caught.
Leave me alone.
To 350 degrees. Hello.
By cookie dough.
So I'm like not allowed to use the oven for nearly burning down the kitchen twice. So Alex will be doing all the oven stuff. Why is the water so hot?
Bake. Bake. Is it preheating?
Cooking time.
No, Manuel, todavía. 350. Bake.
Start.
Start. I did it.
Nice.
But Amelia, you can't burn down the house because this is.
Are you gonna keep on going?
Stop eating the cookie dough, Amelia.
I'm gonna get fat on cookie dough.
So, for the test, how's the cookie dough?
Tastes like salmonella.
Yes.
Alex, do you think that
What
this
happened to my phone?
Oh,
that's all the
I
flour.
happened to your phone.
That's all the flour. So,
Breaker.
Alex,
We can start putting in the cookies in the cookie pan.
Alex, look at me.
What do you mean?
She is gonna make them. So, Alex, do you think that this is actually gonna turn out good?
I actually think they're going to turn out amazing.
Are we gonna put the cookies in here? Can you like? Ooh, Tito. Sorry. Can you cook with this?
Yeah.
This is what I used for last time I made cookies.
Are we just gonna make like one giant cookie?
No. What the frick?
Can we make one giant cookie?
No.
Yes. Yes.
what I did last time, and it turned out pretty good.
Let's make one giant cookie.
No. Yeah. What I did was I took this thingy, the 1 tablespoon thingy, and I just scooped it up and made.
Well, we have to do it with our eyes closed.
Right.
No, you don't.
Yes, we do.
No, you don't.
And then
Well, she's gonna show me how to do it, and then we're gonna continue.
we did. and-
Well, great, good for you. I'm gonna do it with my blindfold on and with my hands freestyle. This feels like a good ball.
That is what she said.
That
Hey!
is not PG. 1, 2.
That is way too far from each other. Far.
Well, you know what? I can't really.
I'm gonna put this a little bit.
This one feels too big, but is there ever a cookie that's too big? Oh god, I think I could put one on top of another one. Here's your hand. There you go.
Oh my god.
Blindfolds or no blindfolds for this bit?
I'm recording.
Okay. And we're back. We've got.
Wait.
Hello? We've got cookies. We've got cookies. We've got a massive cookie. And we've got more cookies.
That was a lot of cookies.
Yeah. So,
So
we have
now
the oven.
we are gonna put those in the oven for how long?
15 minutes.
For 10 minutes. So now we're gonna.
Cookies. I'm not allowed to.
Give me the other 2. Give me this one. Put this one here.
Give me that. I'll take that. We're not using our blindfolds right now because the oven should never be used with the blindfold.
Manuel!
Yeah, we use scissors with the blindfold, but that's one thing. We know how to use scissors, so we don't know how to use the oven. So
And it is running. Yes, Quinn.
we will be back in 10 minutes. So here's what happened. The cookies came out good. In fact, they came out too good. And by the time we realized that they came out so amazing, it was already too late. Alex's parents had just come home from work. Can you see where the story is going? No? Well, let me explain it to you. So, they kind of stole the cookies from us and shared it with all their friends and we, like, once everybody had eaten it, we couldn't really explain to them how the cookies came to be. Let's just keep our fingers crossed that they never see this video. So if you are one of Alex's relatives and you did eat one of those cookies, I am extremely sorry. Blame Alex for not taking the cookies away from her parents, allowing us to record our outro. And that is it. Thank you, everybody.
And we are